Maria Cristina Roque. Let me deliver her message on the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement with GCash. To our GCash delegation led by GCash Business Head John Layog, of course our colleagues from the Department of Trade and Industry and the Negosyo Centers, to our MSME partners and distinguished guests, isang maligayang MSME month po sa ating lahat. Today marks another important milestone in our collective journey to support our micro, small, and medium enterprises, or the MSMEs, which comprise 99.5% of all enterprises and employ 60% of our workforce. Under President Marcos Jr.'s mandate, the Department of Trade and Industry, or the DTI, is advancing three priorities: digitalization, inclusive growth, and global competitiveness. This Memorandum of Understanding underscores our commitment to deliver tailored digital business solutions directly to our MSMEs across the country. Through this, we are enabling resilience, providing livelihood, opening doors for aspiring entrepreneurs, and creating a future where more Filipino businesses can succeed in the digital economy. By integrating these digital financial tools directly at all DTI regional and provincial offices and the DTI Negosyo Centers, we ensure that these tools and services reach even the most remote communities, helping close the rural-urban digital divide and bringing opportunities of success even closer to home. We are 7,100 islands, and we really need to go digital to bring our products and services across the country. To our MSME community, we encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. Aside from the launch of the 1 Billion Women Entrepreneur Fund of DTI SB Corporation, we are closely working with the private sector and the whole of government to build a future where no Filipino business owner is left behind. The support you need is here, the tools are within your reach, and the path forward is being paved for you. This is your moment to transform your business, uplift your community, and shape the future of our economy. Let us continue to work together, government, private sector, and MSMEs, to build a bagong Pilipinas that is more inclusive, digitally capable, and globally competitive. Thank you very much, and good day to everyone. That's from Secretary of DTI, Maria Cristina Roque. Thank you very much.